Introducing the new Lexus Home Charge. Let's focus on the 4 milestones required for installation. You already completed the first step, buying a Lexus plug-in hybrid or battery electric vehicle. You might wonder how to get a charging point at home. We have you covered. Our product expert will advise you on the best Lexus Home Charge to suit your needs. Your local retailer will introduce you to one of our trusted installation partners to book the first appointment. The installer will check the installation feasibility and explain the work required. This appointment can be virtual or through a pre-check at your property. The installer will arrange a suitable time for the installation prior to the collection of your new Lexus plug-in hybrid or battery electric vehicle. The final step is to download and sign up to the Lexus Link Plus app so you can plug in and charge your new Lexus plug-in hybrid or battery electric vehicle. In the next video, we'll show you how to connect your Lexus Home Charge with the Lexus Link Plus app.